Hey y'all, welcome back to Big Momma's Kitchen. Tonight we will be mixing up a little bit of salmon croquettes in Big Momma's Kitchen. And I will be making them in the air fryer. So this will be my first attempt at salmon croquettes in the air fryer. I'm just going to dump these 2 cans in this bowl, mix them up with some eggs, couple of little onions, add some breadcrumbs, and of course these seasonings, slap your mama, some white pepper, and a little bit of this garlic sriracha seasoning. So I'm going to get this all prepared and ready to go and be right back. Alright guys, I have the salmon all mixed up with the egg and the seasoning. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the onions, the breadcrumbs. Oh, I did add some minced garlic to this as well. And then I'm going to actually coat the patties with this little flour cornmeal mix before we pop them in the air fryer. Alright, so I'm going to get them prepared and I'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. So I was able to get 6 patties in the air fryer. I'm going to cook them for about 10-12 minutes. I'll check them in 7 and we'll see how it turns out. Be right back. Okay guys, let's see how it's coming along. Well, I definitely want them a little hard and looks like they're coming apart a little bit. Alright, let's cook them a little bit longer on this side. Be right back. Okay guys, let's check again. Oh, that's better. Now they're browning on this side. Alright, 1 more minute and then I'll get them flipped. Be right back. Smelling really good. Okay, so I finished flipping them, sprayed them a little bit. I'm gonna pop them back in. Almost done. See you in a minute. Okay, so the nose is telling me they may be ready. Oh yeah, they're getting nice and brown. I think I will take a couple out and maybe leave a couple in for maybe a minute more. But they held together pretty nice. Be right back. Alright. That's the bell. And there are the rest of our salmon croquettes or salmon patties. I'm going to go ahead and plate and we'll taste them in just a second. And we're back for the tasting. I'm just going to dip these in a little bit of hot mustard. Don't judge me. I usually like these on a bed of arugula and a little bit of mustard squared across the top. So let's just make sure the moisture held. Hopefully I didn't cook them too long. Let's go ahead and break one open. Ooh, nice and moist still. Look at that. See that smoke coming off of there? Alright. Ouch. It's hot still. It's hot still. It's hot still. Alright. Here we go. That's good. And it's good without the sauce. Now let me try it in the hot mustard. Oh, that's good, guys. You're going to like this recipe. There we have it. Salmon croquettes in the air fryer. See you next time, Big Momma's Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by.